Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the a cryptocurrency exchange that's been making waves online, but not necessarily for the right reasons. Is the the next big thing in crypto trading, or is it just another scam in disguise? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on independent research and personal opinion. A lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. So, the claims to offer cryptocurrency exchange services, but there are major red flags surrounding this platform. The website was recently launched, yet it has an unusual high number of reviews, a common trait of suspicious or manipulated platforms. The domain owner is hiding their identity, and the site is registered to a provider often linked with fraudulent websites. Scam Advisor has flagged several issues, including the possibility of high risk financial activity and the lack of transparency. There are no accessible Trust Wallet or Reddit reviews, and the official site itself is now inaccessible, for many users. According to cybersecurity, Denox is allegedly part of a broader crypto scam trend. This includes false promises of giveaways, celebrity endorsements, and requiring deposits before allowing withdrawals. A classic scam move. For the final verdict, with a lack of transparency, shady behavior, and mounting red flags, denox.com does not appear to be a trustworthy platform. If you're considering crypto trading, stick to well known regulated exchanges with a proven track record. Thanks for tuning in. If this helped you stay clear of a potential scam, give it a thumbs up and share it with your crypto curious friends. Stay sharp, stay skeptical, and don't let your crypto get conned.